Hello, my name is Ankur Gupta. I'm the general manager at Metascale.com. Metascale, which is a company of Sears Holdings Corporation. Metascale is a wholly owned subsidiary of Sears Holdings. We were born out of Sears, Sears' big data group, after we realized that there is a need for a strategic partner who can provide a neutral view on the whole big data marketplace, who can help companies understand how to implement big data in a large enterprise, how to make sense of all the vendors that are out there and what is the right fit for them. And what we do is we bring in the capabilities, the technology, tools, expertise that we have built at Sears over the last 4+ years of using big data and bring them to the outside market. And what we help enterprise understand how they can implement Hadoop with whatever EDW they have currently, how to get use cases out of, or how to build use cases around their big data, how to build roadmap, how to build strategy around big data, and then how to develop talent. So we help companies set up this center of excellence around big data so that they have a long-term goal, long-term planning, a long-term roadmap of utilizing big data tools and technologies and get value out of it. We also help develop the talent piece, the governance and the roles and responsibilities around big data, which is very, very key to the success for long-term. We provide complete infrastructure support for the companies, so they don't have to worry about setting up their big data infrastructure. We provide the hardware, we use our reference architecture that has worked in a large enterprise for us and our customers, so it can work for other companies as well. And it is completely managed, so they don't have to worry about building and management of their big data hardware, big data infrastructure. And on top of that, we provide custom solutioning. So if you're looking to solve a use case around large amount of data that's coming to you, you want to make sense out of it but don't know how to go about it, Metascale will be a right strategic partner for you. As you can see, the big data space is getting crowded. There are a lot of vendors out there, and every conference we get to, the number of vendors is only growing. What we realize that there is a need for a strategic partner that can take a neutral view on this marketplace and really provide that enterprise point of view. So enterprise challenges that the enterprises, the kind of challenge they face are related to the IT budgets not growing, where to get the talent in big data, what kind of distribution to use. There are so many vendors in analytics space, which one is right for me? Should I use Hadoop as a replacement to my existing EDW, or should I use it as a complement to what we have today? There are a lot of questions around that companies continue to get confused about, and part of it is because big data technology is very new, and it's not like what we have seen in the last 25 years of using relational database models and such. So we provide that enterprise point of view. So we take the confusion out of this marketplace and help companies make sense of what's really available to them, what's useful, and what Hadoop can be used for, but also what Hadoop or other big data technologies cannot be used for. So again, coming from a very large enterprise, we have tools and technologies that are already proven in an IT shop that is as large as you can imagine, and we have done it for several of our vendor partners already, several of our other enterprises already. So we, again, even though we are a vendor, coming from a large enterprise differentiates us from all other vendors. So our customers are in different domains, essentially. So we have had customers in financial domain, technology, financial domain, retail, of course. That's where we're born out of, but non-Sears retail customers. And we have we continue to hear from potential customers in different domains, insurance, gaming, and whatnot. And while we are not allowed to disclose the name of our customers, we have seen a wide range of use cases. We've seen use cases as simple as using Hadoop as a storage and backup mechanism, to implementing Hadoop as an enterprise data hub for our customer, so they can make sense of the data that is coming from many disparate systems and get analytics and visualization out of it. So we continue to see organizations now that are looking to do more proof of concept versus looking to understand what big data is and what Hadoop is. I think that path they've already crossed that path. So now we are talking more about NoSQL databases, implementation of real-time using Hadoop. But remember, as I said before, we are a neutral vendor partner, and we help companies with their customized solution of what makes sense to them. And it's a long-term strategy for them. They're not binding themselves with a vendor or locking themselves in a long-term vendor solution. We help companies utilize all the development and the improvement that's happening in the big data space. There are a lot of organizations that are contributing to the tools that they're using. For example, Facebook's, LinkedIn of the world are actually contributing open source tools to the community And what we advise our vendor partner, advise our customer is utilize those tools. Don't lock yourself in a long-term solution. Utilize the tools that are coming out there, and obviously contribute to it, so the whole community can get benefit from it. You can go to www.metascale.com. We have some exciting white paper. We in fact have white paper as rudimentary as how to make a case for Hadoop in your enterprise. So really, how do you get buy-in from different stakeholders? What kind of financial, legal, and other consideration to think about when you're thinking of big data, Hadoop, and other such technologies. So we have white paper, we have some advanced case studies and data sheets that can be used for the knowledge. What we want is, we want our customers or companies to make an informed decision in this space, so they don't get crowded by or don't get confused by the growing number of vendors in this area. They get the knowledge they want and can make an informed decision of who's the right partner for them.